Hi and welcome to my interaction system. In this video we will cover how to set up some amazing items. First, we need to set up our casting system, and it's very easy. We just need to add this code called interaction player code to our camera. Now we have to set up these couple of fields. One is the background of the message, the other is the text. The last is to set how far the ray is casted. Awesome! Now let's set some items. Okay, let's start with a simple one. Drag your model. I have this diamond. Then add the code collectible from the script folder. With this code you will only take the item and it will be added to your inventory system. There's an example just for testing. Now we are going to set this item. In the inspector you can choose an item name. You can change the message set by default. The audio source is autoset field. Now set the clip you want to sound when the item is grabbed. In the folder sounds there's one for test. And finally the game manager is autoset. Awesome, that was easy. Now let's make a test. Now let's do something a little more complex. Let's make a light switch. Drag your switch model to the scene. Now your light bulb model. This will need a light source, so add a point light. In the light model add the script light code from the script folder. It have an array and we need to set two elements. One is the model and the other is the light point. This must be disabled. Great! Now in the switch model add the interactable script. Set a name if you want. Change the message to turn on off. Set an audio clip. In the folder animators you can find the animator switch. Add to the model. Animator field is auto set. Set to true the ball is switch. Set the external actions and that's it. Now let's make a test. Awesome! Now let's make a door. Drag the model to the scene. Add the door script from the script folder. An animator component will be generated. Set the controller door from the animator folders. Set a name if you want. Change the message to press E to open. Set an audio clip. Game manager and animator are auto set. Let's make a test. Great! Now we can set if the door needs a key, but for that we need to make a key item, and it's very simple. Drag the model, add the collectible script from the script folder, set the name, set the clip. Now in the door set the ball to true, and set the name of the needed key. Now test. Awesome! Finally, let's make a transportable item. Drag the model into a scene. Add the transportable script. Set the mesh collider convex to true. Set the layer to items. Set a name if you want. Add the clip. Turn ball to true. We need a place for carry our object. In the player camera there's two holders. The first is for other item class. So we choose holder 2. Type in this case is gear. We need another message due to possibilities of this item. So in the canvas we have message to BG. Now to avoid clipping we need a second camera to render this item, and we change the layer to items for this reason. And that's it. Let's make a test. Just one last thing. We can set a place where we can put our transportable item. In this case, I will use a shaft. Just add the shaft script and set the type. This defines what object you can put in there. Now see how it works. Awesome! So that's it. I hope this system helped you to accelerate your development. See you the next time.